Hello, this is Marin Peasley from Symantec. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Symantec VIP Enterprise Gateway software to a Windows 2008 R2 server. First, I'll log into VIP Manager in order to download the VIP Enterprise Gateway software. Now I need to go to Account, Download Files, and then Enterprise Gateway. For the Windows server, I'll download the VIP Enterprise Gateway 961 Windows zip package. Next, I'll create a working folder, extract the install file from the zip, and run it. After the license screens, we'll need to set up an initial user who has access to this software. With that, VIP Enterprise Gateway is completely installed. Please see the follow-up videos for next steps. Thank you very much.